Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day.
Hey guys, it's Lake. Welcome back to my channel. Today I did a little get ready with me tutorial on this look. It's my summer look. It's just big lashes, liner, glowy skin, and a new lip. It's like my go-to lately, and I've just been really into like black clothes, like really slim fitting. I call it an Instagram Baddie tutorial because I'm wearing like Baddie stuff. I'll probably show you my outfit in a little bit, but if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So my eyebrows are already done because I did them off camera. I got them done finally after a year, so they're already done. I already did them. My hair looks really ashy right now, and I did already prime with the Milk Hydro Grip primer. This is my favorite primer in the world, and you guys know I used to hate primers. I only use this one or the Ole Henriksen one. I don't use that one as much because it's very expensive, and I mean, no, they're around the same price, but I have more of this, so until I'm physically out of it, there's a mini one as well. So, and then I do use sunscreen. It's Summer Protect Your Skin. Sun gives you spots, sun gives you dark spots, and it makes you age quicker. So ever since I learned that, I've been using sunscreen. I use a Drunk Elephant one. It's not my favorite because it does leave like a white cast, so I use a very, very tiny amount. I need to find one that has like a tint or something, or a better one, but sunscreen is your go-to in the summer. My everyday foundation is my Lancome. It's been for a minute. I will probably change it. I'll probably change it because this is like a matte finish or a natural finish. I want more of a dewy finish in the summer. But this has SPF in it too, SPF 15. And so, like always, I'm going to mix it with a little bit of a lighter concealer because my skin is not tanning still. Just want to mix it all together. I can't believe it's been so long since I've done my makeup on camera, and it was a freaking prom look, and now like everyone that has had prom, it has graduated. So my tripod broke, my freaking thing, so my ring light has a stick to it, and that broke, and then there's a little stick that I put my camera on that broke. So I've pretty much been doing only vlog types of videos because my stand has not been working very well, but I just finessed it today to try to get it to do this video because I have no other setup to film my makeup. Still sticking strong with the Fenty concealer until I run out or get a different one in my gratis. I get so much free makeup, and I just try to make all that free makeup last. If you guys ever, oh, my voice just cracked. If you guys ever want to see a haul or maybe a video where I only use the free makeup that I get at work, let me know because I'm gonna get some soon. I'm just waiting for them to give it to me. I like to look very, very, very bronzy during summertime. I feel like I'm very like typical Instagram girl with my blonde hair and my lashes and the brows and the highlight and the tube tops and the ripped jeans. Laura Mercier, holy grail product for a lot of people. It's the only thing that really helps me not crease underneath my eyes. I'm gonna bake a little bit because my eyes crease a lot in the summer. I don't know why I have so much creasing when it's hot outside, but I do. So we're gonna go over bronzer. Still using my Too Faced bronzer after like 2 years. I'm pretty sure this is expired. It says 12 months on it. Pretty sure I got this in like 2017, 2016, but that's probably why I'm breaking out. For the eyes, I'm not going to do eyeshadow today. I'm just going to do wing liner and lashes. So I'm going to set my eyes with that same powder. I got sick from my coworkers. I just want to shout out y'all because y'all come to work sick. There's like 3 or 4 of y'all. Don't really know who, but I heard it was getting around, and I was like, okay. For eyeliner, my fave is the Stila, and the micro tip is my favorite. It's just the easiest for me to use. We're going to just do this liner. My voice sounds terrible. You probably won't be able to see me because, I don't know, I need to be a little bit near. I found with me the trick is just to do it, because if I overthink it, I'm gonna mess up. So I literally just gotta just do it. And I just messed up. Okay. When you speak so highly of yourself and then you just proceed to mess up, like, okay, cool. They're uneven. I'm tired and I give up and I'm not touching them anymore. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush for my BH. That is embarrassing. My biatch, my biatch, my biatch. Blush and highlighter palette, so that is very bright. So just grab the bronzer, mix it in with bronzer. Lashes, you guys know I love the company Lash Dreams. Their IG is Shop Lash Dreams. I don't get any money for promoting them. I just love their lashes a lot, and I love putting people on because they're such a good price for the quality of the lashes. Bomb. It's bomb. It's a bomb lash, and it just changed my whole life. Look, that wing, that, first of all, this wing was like a 6 and it took that wing to a 8. So period. This is from that BH palette as well. I'm gonna add bottom lashes, or actually let me spray my face, then do bottom lashes, then add that cheek highlight, and then I'm gonna figure out what lip I'm gonna wear. The lashes made this whole look. I didn't even have to show you guys my entire face because, like, I don't always. I love it. 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 My fave new lip combo from my skin color is MAC Cork Liner and Jeffree Star Baddie. It's not too deep, it's not too red, it's not too dark, it's not too light, and then it neutralizes the pink in this because it's a little too pink. But it's a cool tone pink. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm wearing this with, if I can just stand up, with some boyfriend jeans. They're really big, so you can't see my figure in them. And I'm wearing some extra shoes because I'm extra. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe if you want some more, like, you know, Instagram baddie type of looks, because that's how I feel when I do something like this. I probably should have put in some hoops. That'd be cute. How would the hoops look? Okay, if I do the hoops, I can't do the necklace. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. I'll let y'all know first. But bye guys. See you in the next one.